is 2:15 in the morning. Probably not the best time to be recording this, but I mean, I think any time is a good time. As you guys know, I've been working with the Mining King for the last, I think, 9 months, almost a year, doing repairs on Z15s. I even got a whole pallet of them now, and I know there's going to be probably another pallet in the near future coming to me. So, what I want to talk about is how that's not changing. I did bait you guys a little bit on this one. I really kind of wanted to touch base. I keep saying that I want to touch base, and my last video is about touching base, and um, that's basically all today is about, because what is going on in the market? Absolutely nothing. Nothing incredible is happening. Bitcoin went up to 93K. Woo! Does anyone really know why? It might be that China's printing more dollars, and therefore, because China print more dollars, Bitcoin go up because now their value of currency is inflated. It could be also that the guy at Target like whipped out the belt and told Trump, "Hey, bro, you're killing everyone with this tariff stuff," and he was like, "Okay, maybe I think about cutting it back and shit like that." No, but the actual news for today is that I'm trying to get back to everything. I said that last time, but I'm releasing a video at 2:20 in the morning now about how I'm going to be releasing a video a week and then a live stream. And if I don't do a video that week, it will be potentially 2 live streams, even if it is a late night stream and then like a Friday or Saturday stream or something like that. I will be doing that. The other huge news is that I am now working with Scott over at 805 Mining. So no, this is not a sponsorship thing. He is not my title sponsor. Like Panda's 5 or 6 different title sponsors that just send him free shit. I will be doing ASIC sales over at 805 Mining. So Scott reached out to me. He knew that I had a sales background and a tech background. He said, "Hey, I like your style. Can you come work for me?" I was like, "Yeah, man. I'm at home. I don't do anything. I'm a stay-at-home dad. Yeah, please. Jesus, I need more ASICs. I need more mining equipment to make more videos for you guys. Please." Give me a job. And he did. So I'm now going to be working with Scott on his new and used ASIC sales. So if there's really anything that you're interested in, feel free to reach out to me. Honestly, I'm going to keep the same policies, everyone else says. We'll, either match someone else's price or beat it. I will probably be beating it most of the time because I don't have a ton of overhead for this yet. In the future, we want to start adding other services and stuff like that, just like everyone else, because there's no downside to having a vertical marketplace or a vertical company where you're doing every step of the way. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm not gonna try to reiterate that. I'm really just gonna do this in one take. So, anyways, if it comes to new or used stuff, feel free to reach out to me or Scott. You can hit me up over on sales at 805mining.com. Like I said, if you want a small home miner, if you want something big, if you want to buy 2,000 used ASICs, like this other dude that's already hit me up, I can do that. I can find that stuff for you. I also have access to whatever the newest is really hitting the market. So, for example, some of those new Seal A2s have been spotted in Hong Kong, and I can now order them. So I've had a couple of people DM me about my thoughts on them. I've also heard of people trying to order them. I can get them. Now, whether or not they get hit by tariff is more of a chance of the dice, it seems, from what I've heard talking to everyone else. Some people get hit, some people don't, and it seems to be, either good luck or bad luck. So if you're trying to get something overseas, you can try your luck. From what I've heard, it's been pretty much about 80-90% chance it gets through and no issues. The other 20 to 10% you do get hit. The most common ones that get hit though are ant miners because everyone knows what an ant miner is, but who knows what a bit deer is? I think most people think it was a scam, kind of like Ice River. It's a scam miner, but it is real. I've seen them running, so they are a real device, and you can get them, and they do hash pretty close to what I think it's an S21 Plus is around the same efficiency. So, anyways, enough self-plugging. Actually, not enough self-plugging. If you want to get something, hit me up. Even if it's as small as a BitAxe Gamma all the way up to that, or even like a Hydro unit or a 3U unit, I can get you pricing on it. So, is there anything else to cover? CMP cards are still bricked. I've been working on my broken console controller, so that will probably be my stream for, I was going to say tomorrow, but it's probably going to be today, because it is currently Friday at now 2:23 in the morning. I've been ranting for almost 6 minutes straight, and I don't even think I'm going to edit this video. I think I'm just going to throw it together like this. So anyways, hopefully see you guys today. If not, it's going to be Saturday. They'll take care. Buy some ASICS or some shit. I don't know. Peace.